Question. Find the domain of r of t equal to root of 5t plus 1 comma t square. Here t0 equal to 1. Find r of t naught. First question, find the domain, then find r of t naught, where t naught is equal to 1. Then first question, first one, domain. Find the domain. Listen, here 5t, root of 5t plus 1. Root of 5t plus 1. This term 5t plus 1 is negative. The root of 5t plus 1 is a complex number. Here we consider the natural domain. So only the positive numbers and 0. So this 5t plus 1 is always, which implies this 5t plus 1 is always greater than or equal to 0. If it is negative, the root of this 5t plus 1 is a complex number. We cannot take that complex number because here the domain is the natural domain. So 5t plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. That is 5t is greater than or equal to 1. Sorry, minus 1. This plus 1. Take to the right side. We get minus 1. Then t is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 5. That is the value of t is always greater than or equal to minus 1 by 5. That is the interval is minus 1 by 5 to infinity. Minus 1 by 5 to infinity. This is the interval. This root 5t plus 1 satisfied in this interval. Then second term is t square. What is t square? Here we put a negative number. The square is positive. Then 0. 0 square is 0. Then positive value. Again the square is positive. So here we take t. T is always belongs to minus infinity to infinity. We can take any value for t from minus infinity to plus infinity. That is the intersection of these two intervals. The intersection of these two intervals is called the domain of this r of t. Okay, the intersection of these two. Here minus infinity to plus infinity. Listen. This is minus infinity. Suppose this is minus infinity and this is positive infinity. Here 0. This is this interval minus infinity to plus infinity. One more interval is there. Minus 1 by 5 to infinity. Here 0. Here 1 by 5. Here minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 to infinity means minus 1 by 5 to infinity. So infinity minus 1 by 5. Intersection of these two intervals, what is the intersection? Smaller part. So the intersection is minus 1 by 5 to infinity. This is called the domain of r of t. The domain of r of t. One more question. Find r of t naught, where t naught is equal to 1. Here r of t is root of 5t plus 1 comma t square. So r of t naught, put t equal to t naught. That is root of 5t naught plus 1 comma t naught square. That is root of t naught is 1. So 5 into 1 plus 1 comma 1 square. That is root of 5 plus 1, root 6 comma 1. That is r of t naught is equal to, what is root of 6 comma 1? This vector representation is root 6i plus 1j. This is the vector representation of this point, root 6 comma 1. So r of t naught is equal to root 6i plus 1j.